Identifies cables. Identifies cables in an MDU and detects troublesome short circuits accurate up to 5,000 feet, 1,500 meters. Visual indication. LED light indicates splitters, DC shorts, and other self-grounding devices in cables. Compact design. Right-angle male push-on connector and small size are ideal for working in confined areas. Manual on/off switch. Preserves battery life when not in use. Includes pocket toner, 1 AAA 1.5 volts battery, and a pocket clip. Top reviews from the United States. Great product for the price. Great toner. I work as a technician for Spectrum, so I use this daily. I've purchased at least 4 other toners before this one, and this is by far my favorite. It lights up to tell me if there is a short or splitter connected. The piece that makes the sound screws into the bottom, so it's darn near impossible to lose if you put it back as soon as you're done. My biggest problem is always losing the pieces. Another issue I've had is false positives from other toners. They'll say that the line I am choosing is correct, but it's not. This one doesn't have that problem at all. It emits a high-pitch beep when you find the line. I only wish there was a way to do more than one line at a time. You have to move it per line. But that's not too big of an issue. I'd definitely purchase this again.